Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and non-binary individuals. So today I'm going to show you how to make a website. How to make a website with ReactJS. I know what's going on. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to need you guys to install Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment, and it's basically just going to make it possible for us to run all of our ReactJS and other JavaScript files. So once you install Node, you're going to run a command, and full disclosure, I'm running all my stuff on Ubuntu 18 right now, so if you're on Windows, it's going to be different. If you're on Mac, it might be the same, but Windows, you're definitely going to have to look up everything separately. So for me on Linux, on Ubuntu, I'm going to be typing in npm install global flag npx. And then once that's done, I'm going to use that, npx, create React app, and then the name of your app. And that's going to create our React app. Super easy. Alright, so just like it says, npx, create React app, and call this hello world. Hello world React. And that's going to create our entire project all automatically because React is sick. Alright, cool. It's all done, looks like. So now, you can see right there, we have our Hello World React. Let's do... And there we are. So to run our website, web page server, we type in npm start inside of the directory, the directory of our project. So we'll go into the directory first. And then npm start. Cool. And then I'll open up our default web browser. Mine is Firefox, and it'll display our site. Perfect. So the nice thing about React is as we change our code, everything will live update, which is beautiful. We don't have to recompile anything or rebuild our code at all. So yeah, pretty cool. So all of the actual code for what you're seeing right here on the screen is included in the create React script, and here it is right here in this app.js file. So we can fiddle with some stuff here. Get rid of this. So what you're looking at right now is basically what a React file looks like. You have your imports at the top, like every programming file ever. You have like a little, this is like a component, because everything in React is components, which is just like a, what they call their objects or their functions. So yeah, inside of this, the return of this function is just straight HTML. So this is HTML. If you've ever learned anything about web dev in the past, you have your divs, your other tags, you have your attributes. So I'm going to change this a little bit. Div and a header are, I'm just use divs. Divs are basically the holy grail of web development. They're just basically boxes on the screen, so you organize everything in divs. And yeah, they're really important to know. Content. I'm just changing some class names right now. This will only affect. So the reason that just changed is this div was called app header, and then we have all of our CSS for app header here. So if we change this to content, because we just changed the class name to content, it'll fix it all. Okay. So here, let's do this. And the logo here is an image that they have imported in up here. They import this SVG image as a logo, and they then make that the source of this image tag right here. But we can also do just URLs here, and that's what I'm going to do for this example. So I'm going to go on Google. I'm going to search up Planet Earth. Images. Now I want something that has a transparent background, preferably. Right, perfect. So we can grab this image location, go back to our thing, that logo was deleted, boom. Save it, there you go. Beautiful, right? We got a world, how nice. So the default React app has this link to the React docs, and I highly recommend if you want to learn more about React, you go check this out. They have a really good documentation here. So yeah, you have yourself a basic web page right now. What are some other things I can show you? If you want to, here, we'll delete this because that's going to cause us an error or a warning. I guess not really an error. If you want to change this, the title of your web page, go to index. Change your title, so we'll call this Hello World. See right there, changed. What was that? I'll show you guys a little bit of CSS stuff, I guess. So we can add. First of all, let's make this a box inside a box. So I'm gonna fix that, get rid of this, do that, make this text black, the background white. Cool. I'm gonna add a border. Border, 5 pixels. Dotted. Let's go with blue. Cool. Nice. Yeah. So this is a really basic example. React is capable of a lot more. We can import a lot of Node packages and libraries that people have created, and we can do a lot. But I can't cover that all in one short little video. So this is what you get: a little taste, little basics, little intro. Hope you guys like it. Try making a website yourself. Import some other images. Play around some text. Yeah. Hope you guys decide to give this a try. It's pretty easy. I put like no work into this. Most of the time, I'm just waiting for it to build the project. Super accessible. I think React is a great thing for people to learn. Yeah, cool. I know what's going on.